Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. This here is Sophia. She's the one you hear in the background a lot of times. She's got the biggest mouth. She's 3 years old. She's my baby. She came first 3 years ago, and she rules the house. Today, I am going to be doing a flip and drag. You want to get down? Okay, go. Go play. Go outside. Today's video, I'm going to do a flip and drag. This will be the second time I've done this particular pour. I'm using some really bright colors and I'm using mixed pour as my pouring medium, and I've thickened up my paints. The last time I did it, my paints were a little runny, so I didn't quite get the result I was looking for. So I'm very excited about this pour, and I'm really loving how it came out. I've already done it, so you'll get to see it now. Also, for those of you who are just joining my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have social media accounts and you like it, share this video to your social media accounts. If you are coming back, you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for doing that. I really, really appreciate it. So, all right, guys, I'll get you down on that canvas. We'll talk about the size and the colors. I will be right back. Alright guys, so what we have here is a 24 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. I have taped it, put push pins in the back, and as you can see, I've painted my edges. I'm still trying to eliminate this white canvas peeking through on the edges when I tilt my paint off. Today I'm going to be doing a flip, cup, and drag. 24 by 24, we're going to need about 21 ounces of paint. So you're going to take 24 times 24, divide that by 28, you get 20.7 or something like that. So I just round it up. I always round it up no matter how low the number is, so I make sure I have a little extra paint. I'm going to use 3 cups, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to flip them and I'm going to drag them along the canvas. So I'm going to need about 7 ounces in a cup. I've got some 8-ounce cups here, so I'm going to fill them up pretty much to the top. I'm going to flip them over, and then I'm going to drag them out. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 here and 1 here. So I'm going to flip and drag this way, flip and drag this way, flip and drag this way. Real quick, I'll talk about the colors. All of my paints are mixed with mixed pour. You can order that from Krista Rasmussen at krista8974@gmail.com. This stuff is amazing. Colors we're going to use today, I'm using Amsterdam's Prussian blue. I'm using DecoArt metallics, Americana decor 24 karat gold. I'm using Pebeo Studio Acrylics. I'm using Iridescent blue-green. I'm also using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White mixed with some Satin Enamels White. I am using Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. And I'm also using Pebeo Studio Acrylics Iridescent, and I'm using Violet Blue. And I actually threw in about a couple of squirts of Winsor & Newton Permanent Magenta. So I got this wonderful, wonderful color, which looks like the Studio Acrylics, and so what this is mixed with is 5 ounces of mixed pour and about an ounce, ounce and a half of paint. It makes a mound on top of a mound. I put in a little bit of water in some of the colors that were just super, super thick, because I do want the colors to hold together and stay separated, but I also need them to stretch out a little bit because I'm not doing a ring pour. Again, we're going to do a flip and drag. So let's move this over here out of the way, and we'll get started on our cups. So each one, actually, let's do it this way. Do them all at the same time. Prussian blue. This stuff is thick. Gold. Blue. White. The cobalt blue. And the violet blue. Back in again. Those are some delicious looking cups. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to put 2 cups here and 1 cup here. And I'm going to make sure I don't throw them down in the same order, meaning the direction I'm going to put them down. So here's where I poured in, so I'm going to pour out this way. So I'm going to flip here. And here. There. So now I'm just going to tap on these. Allow those paints to get down out of the cup onto the canvas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it towards you, the camera, and pull it that way. I think what I want to do now is I want to put just a little bit of white around the edge. Not much. Okay. I'm gonna torch this just for some bubbles. Now, as I let this sit, this is really creating some cells. You can see them popping up through there. All right, so I think what I'm gonna start with first, bring it down this way.
Hold up, place Cobalt when I pull up. They all on me like they want some. Think I got what you need, well I have none. Hop off, you're a freak and I'm handsome. Slide up in the club like 2 chains. This snake is on top of the food chain. Stand out like a star, no new name. All these rats in my DMs, no message back, I just see them. I get them hooked and I reel it down, throw them back when completed. I'm a snake on this lane, I'm speeding my poison is raining. Every day I'm leaving pain, we dripping in venom, so baby I'm a V-I-P-E. Selection. Never hugs or connections. I just constrict and reject them. I make my snake hole transactions, eject my papers and stack them. All these words and my DMs, no message back. I just see them. I get them hooked and I reel it down, throw them back when completed. I'm a snake on this lane, I'm spitting my poison is raining. Every day I'm leaving pain, dripping in venom, so baby I'm a V-I-P-E.
What needs to happen here is I need to add a little paint over here in this corner, and I think I'm going to use a little bit of water to thin out my Prussian blue. So I can get that corner over there to move just a little bit. Oops. See if we can get some movement going here. I think we want to bring just a little bit more this way. I'm loving the cells. I am loving this composition. Bring it back just a tad this way.
Find a light in the dark. I know that you're afraid. Believe me when I say it's alright. We'll get by.
Alright guys, I'm gonna clean up the edges here real quick.
I tell myself that we'll be okay. So hold on to me, baby, hold on. Put your hands into mine, wanna feel you close. So hold on to me, baby, hold on. Got our souls intertwined, I'm not letting go. To be a way out of this place. Just gotta follow our tracks. Remember what you said way back when we met. It went something like this. You take my breath away. It's crazy how you're making me feel. The way you're smiling at me, I want it back. This feeling I can see us working it out. You're all
bring you down off the tripod, let you see. Okay guys, here we are. I'll bring you in for a close-up.
So hold on to me, baby, hold on. Got our souls intertwined, I'm not letting go. So hold on to me, baby, hold on. Put your hands into mine, wanna feel you close. So hold on to me, baby, hold on. Got our souls intertwined, I'm not letting go.
All right guys, I am so happy how this turned out. I'll let you see this dry. I will be right back. All right everyone, here is the dried result. This is so pretty and I absolutely love all of the cells that have popped up into this. It's just gorgeous. I'll bring you in for a quick close-up here. It's just a little bit tacky still. So my paints were a little on the thick side, which I'm trying to like use some different thicknesses with the paints for different pours, doing some tests. So I talked with Mina and she said to try to thicken up my paint a little bit, which I did for this. But I'm wondering for a flip and drag, maybe if my paint might have needed to be a little bit more thinner. Because you can see here, there's some like color under that white that probably should have been tilted off, but it just gives it a uniqueness to it that I just absolutely love. But look at all these cells. Gorgeous. So I couldn't be more happier with this. I would definitely try this again, and I will maybe thin my paints out just a little bit more. So all right, everyone, as always, my pieces are available for purchase. You can email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post new video content. Leave me some comments below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this piece. I'd love to hear it. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.